Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to cash out in FireKirin. Cashing out your winnings from FireKirin involves a series of steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. First is to ensure that you have reached the maximum required balance for withdrawal. Typically, the minimum cash out amount varies depending on the payment method you choose, ranging between $10 to $20. Second is to contact an authorized distributor. FireKirin operates through authorized distributor who manage both deposit and withdrawals. Reach out to the distributor who assisted with your initial deposit to initiate the cash out process. Third is to provide necessary payment details. Distributor typically process withdrawals via platform like Cash App or PayPal. Furnish accurate details of your chosen payment method to facilitate the transaction. Once a request is submitted, the distributor will process your withdrawal. Processing time can vary on method used. After processing, check your Cash App or PayPal account to confirm the receipt of funds. By following these steps, you can ensure seamless and efficient cash out experience with FireKirin. So that is how you can cash out in FireKirin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.